We are here.
We are here in Salakot. I know how to spell though. Come with me.
Come with me. We are here in Salakot. What day today?
Day?
Yeah.
What's day?
Okay, and then it's January
15.
I'm 15. It's January 1, 2025. This is the first day of the year.
Yeah.
And we are here in Salakot, first gala of the year.
It's a restaurant, so don't be excited because if you are excited, then you might go crazy.
Ang ganda dito sa Salakot. Very cozy. Ang cute. Kita mga cottage. Then meron sila dito malaking ano, ang ganda. Wow. Ang ganda dito. First time namin kakain dito sa Salakot. So, let's review. Well, let's review here.
Let's review.
Ito, meron din silang souvenir shop here in Salakot. Ganon, ganon. 1, 2, 3. Salakot. Dito, meron silang parang fire. Super lamig ba dito? And then, ito yung kanilang sample cottage. Ang cute.
Kanina po, pumunta po kami sa Tagaytay. Dito tayo. Dito tayo. Mga students.
Ay, mga sample cottage pag maliit yung group. Ang cute. Bahay-bahayan. Mga gutom na.
Ay nako. Nag-agawan pa.
Parang wala namang maliit.
Ay wala ba?
Kami rin isa ni Adrian. Share na lang kami. Ang lasa. Saw-saw. Tatman. Delicious.
Lalaro pala ikaw?
Yeah,
Lalaro ka ba? Mamaya na, lalaro ka? Kaso wala tayong mangkok eh.
Bulalo.
Marami pang iba.
Marami pang iba. Ano kinakain mo?
Pizza.
Pizza? Wow. Yummy.
Sunabeli.
Ito. Sisting ko.
Bro,
Ang konti. Konti, ang mahal-mahal.
not this. The whole plate.
Dami. Okay, go.
Pero masarap. It is.
Ha? Ano? Ito?
Sizzling tofu.
Has it tofu? That's yummy. They also do tofu. Tofu. What size is this? Oh,
Sizzling tofu.
what's this?
Sizzling. Yummy.
Yes. Yummy is...
What's that? Bulalo?
Ano po to? Siligang po siya na may iba pa.
Bulalo yun. Niloloko mo ako.
Ha? Siligang bulalo
Yummy,
yan?
Arshu. Yummy ba?
This is siligang bulalo.
Siligang bulalo? Bago yun ah. Yummy ba? Yummy. Wow, ubus mo na yung kanin mo ah. Yung kanilang bulalo.
Palisis yata yung nasa lalo.
Hi guys, I'm
Uy, malaglag.
Lagi.
Siligang tofu. Siligang. Kami ano nga?
Salmon belly.
Bulalo, siligang. Siligang bulalo. Did you only go here, yes or no?
Not yet. Oh, tignan mo yung fish.
The fish?
Yeah, fish. Yummy yan.
Right now, this is good.
What's the taste?
Good?
Ang rate mo sa food? Ha?
Inferior. Inferior.
What's that?
It's like 100, but it's like infinite. It's infinite because I like it, but the taste, yeah, good.
How about the quality of the food?
It's Infinite.
Infinite. Okay. It's yummy here in Salakot. Meron lang konting food na hindi ganun karaming servings pero most okay naman.
Bye.
Yum yum!
Bye.